So guys, today I got these two pieces of plastic here I picked up from eBay. What they do, they go over the license plate here and they add that extra layer of protection. Now these are clear, of course. You just pull the lining off on both sides. I've had these before and I really like them. They're really thin. It just goes over the top of this. The only thing is when you replace these registration stickers, you have to take it off because it covers it, of course, but that's the only negative I would say. But it does protect the plate a lot. I'll show you the front one here. This is the main one you want to protect anyway, because this one will get tons of rock chips on it. So it just fits in like that, sandwiched between the frame I have and then the license plate itself. It just adds a glossy look to it too because it is clear, but then you won't get all the rock chips because these black plates on the front right here will just get rattled with rocks depending on how much you drive. So let me go ahead and put this on and I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. Okay, so here's one onto the actual plate. As you can see, it gives it that glossy look. So right here, this little lip, once you get it on the car, you're gonna tuck it underneath there and then you'll sandwich it in with the bolts here. So if you can see that, I like it. I just like the glossy look. I think it flows with the car, all shined up and stuff, instead of having that kind of that semi-gloss frame. So here it is on the car. See what I mean? It gives it that glossy appearance, which I've always liked. And it's nice too. So when it starts raining or you wash your car, it'll drain because it has the drain holes on the bottom. Or my other one, I didn't have the drain holes too. So then it'll always fog up. This one won't do that because it has the holes, which is a smart design. So I like that. So the drain holes under here, it'll allow it to drain, so it shouldn't fog at all. So it's very subtle. Again, it's mainly for the front one I wanted it to protect it. Let me show you the front. So right here, as you can see it, how glossy it is. It was not nearly that glossy before. So I like it. Again, it's mainly to protect it. Because when I took these off before, they didn't have any marks on them. No rock chips or nothing. So it does add that layer of protection. You can get these tinted if you want. I don't like that because it's just another reason to get pulled over. These are legal, they're just clear. The only negative I would say is on the back one, the sun hits it just right, it does glare. So I don't know if you'll get a ticket for that or not, but it doesn't look like anything's on it really when you stand back. So very cheap. I think I spent $10.99 for the set of them. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to pick them up. And these are the super thin ones. They have real thick ones, but then again, they don't really fit on most plates either, frames. So these are the only ones I could find that would fit great too. So definitely check them out, guys, if you want just to protect those expensive license plates, which I do. I don't really want to buy them again. So again, check the description and you'll see the link there. Okay, guys, hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you guys next time.